Hi, this is George from Digital High Road. Back again. Today we're going to talk about solo ads and why I would recommend, if you're a beginner, to stay the heck away from them. I want to explain what seems to be going on in the market today and why I would be aware of it, very openly be aware of it. Just want to remind you, if you end up liking the video at the end, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel where we're always adding new content. Hit the notification, the bell notification. Please do that so that you get notified every time I publish new content. And don't forget to click the link below for a great free training to help you build your online home business today. And if you're like me, you were confused about a lot of things and you didn't have answers to things, then don't forget that I'm here ask questions, fill in comments below the video. Be glad to help you out and direct you correctly and so you can make some progress in building your own online success story. So let's move on to today's warning about solo ads. It seems that in the market today that there's sites like Munch Eye that are very popular, and you just look at all the launches on JVZoo and Warrior Plus. And they're just coming day after day after day and month after month. And it just seems like there's a plentiful source of courses like this. Is one of the top courses from the last week, which I did a review for. And then there's another one I just did a review for too that was released a couple days ago. And these seem to be the courses that everybody's making, everybody's creating and selling. And if you look at the list here on Warrior Plus, the list day after day just are filled with courses like this. You profit too, and vid commissions, which in doing a review, these are all based on making them work more so than just providing free traffic, which doesn't really exist for for beginners, but asking them and getting them directed towards purchasing solo ads from sites like Udimi. What I want to do today is we're going to go through a funnel I set up and explain to you in detail what to be aware of and get you to think, pulling back and letting you see what's really going on. So without further waiting, I want to go into that now. We're going to look at the funnel. So what I want to do is come over here to a funnel I created. I want to go through and take a few minutes and try to walk you through it to give you a 35,000 foot view of looking down on what's going on. When you look at courses like vid commissions, and biggest problem with these courses as I review them is always the lack of traffic and the need for traffic, which these people are more than happy to explain that you probably need to buy some traffic. So you can go to sites like Udimi, Udimi. I'll put a link for it in the description. But Udimi is where you go and you're going to be buying solo ads. And what we're going to do is look at what is going on here with solo ads. So let's go. So I'm in Udimi, and what I did was I clicked on Find Sellers. And these are all people that are happy to sell you solo ads. Now this gentleman here, Daniel, is selling solo ads at 79 cents a click. So it's going to be basically $82 for 100. So what we're going to do is come over to our funnel. Now this funnel first and foremost looks rather complicated. It's not that complicated, but if you take it piece by piece, what we're going to do is walk you through it. Okay, this, let's say, is the product that was launched on Sunday. The product that I did the review for, this one here. So what we're going to do is we're going to come back here. This is the person that created the product. That's who this is here. Now what he's doing is he's going to set this all up to an autoresponder where he's going to collect future, and he's going to have, he has leads. So we're going to involve two providers of leads, which are available to be purchased from the people that buy the product. So he's going to do is he's going to provide a product. That's what this is here. This is a product that he's developed. And when they buy the product, there's a purchase to be made. He makes money. Now he's also going to make money because he's recommending solo ads over here. That these people that buy the product, okay, if you look at Ursula, okay, Ursula has her own list. She's trying to build her list. And you have Tom and Louise and Tracy. And this is you, okay? You've bought vid commissions today too. And then this is your list. You want to be building your list because the money's in the list. And we have Henry, Bob, Olivia, Kimberly, and a person over here named Igor. Now, Igor eventually is going to say and see this whole picture, and he wants to become this person here. Okay, so that's why I have him off the side. He's going to have a partner that's going to help him, and he's going to do what this gentleman developed this product and his partners do today. So we're going to come back here. Now, this person developed the product, and they're going to sell the product here, and he's going to make money here. Now, he's also going to recommend through email. He's going to email all these people, and these are only 9-10 people of a huge list of people he had from his list that he contacted. So these are his list, and he contacted these people, and every one of these people, if you follow the line, came down here and opt in. They clicked a sales page link, which then took them to this product here. Then they bought the product. So these people, of which you're one of them, you went to this sales page and bought this product, and now this product here is recommending you to build an email list. You know, Ursula to build an email list, Igor to build his list, Tom, Tracy, Louise, all of you are to build your list. So you say, well, how do I build lists? Well, he's more than happy to recommend to you a person who he's tied in with. You can see this here, and then this company who he's tied in with. So we come here to Udimi, and this is just one of several people that are sellers that want to sell you leads for different prices. Now the thing is, you don't know about these people here. You don't know how good the leads are going to be. You just know it's going to cost you money to do. So, but you're willing to spend the money to build your list so you can sell products. You can send to your list and get these people to be buying from you. That's basically what Igor's going to do here. He's eventually going to break off and become a duplication of this guy here, the guy that develops fake commissions, who will go unnamed at this moment. So, but basically, solo ads are the answer. Now, are solo ads the answer? Well, let's say Ursula spends $600 and she ends up getting a list of maybe, say, 70, 75 people. Then she, 3 weeks from now, sends 75 people to his next product. And she sells 2 or 3, 4 products. It makes a few dollars. So on the either JV Zoo product, Warrior Plus product, Pay Kickstart product, whatever it might be, whatever platform, she's going to make the money on that product. But is 5 or 6 or 7 sales out of 70 people, which is really good. If you got 10 people out of 70 buying something, that's a very high conversion rate. That's higher than like 13, 14%. So, good conversion rates are usually around 8 to 10%. If you do that, you're doing really, really well. But the thing is, I wanted to do is put in dollars here and show you who's really making the money here. This gentleman here is making the money because he's getting free traffic. All these people here, which you are one of them, are more than happy to send other people to his products. Now he's also getting, all these emails are going into his autoresponder. Okay, so what you're going to have here is you've got a reseller of solo ads selling ads to some of these people. Some people go with Udimi, but it doesn't matter. They're all building their list. The goal is to build the list. So 3 people here build large lists. They also ring up large debt. Because for debt, you're talking about $1,000 maybe. $1,000 might get you, a list of 300 people if you're really lucky. But even if you did get 300 people, these are all undirected people. They're not disciplined. They don't have a relationship with you. They don't know you from Adam. They don't know you from this guy here either. They know this guy because he's been sending emails out to you and to other people like you consistently for a while. So you know the name, but you may not know the person. But you see a product like this one here, or this one here, where you end up thinking it's easy as 1, 2, 3. So you think it's easy as 1, 2, 3. Or, wow, look at this, another product, 1, 2, 3. Easy peasy. As I say on my YouTube channel, it's always about the numbers, but it's never as easy as 1, 2, 3. If you're liking this video today, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notifications to get more videos, notified of when there's more videos like this video that are coming your way. So let's go back to the solo ad guy here. You don't know any of these people here. They may have good days, bad days. They may have just had good luck getting new leads from a product. And this week, their leads are better than next week or the week after. Maybe their leads are better on Monday than they are on Friday. They may have used them up on Friday, but they still sold you. So they'll send the leads out anyway and say, here's your leads. So you'll have your leads. So you're developing a list, but you're not turning your list, you're not returning your, you're not getting received on investment, your ROI, if you've planned everything out. As I mentioned in my Why Solo Ads Suck video, you find out shortly after you get going with solo ads that they're undirected, that they're unresponsive to you, that there's no relationship. It's costing you an arm and a leg. You're going in debt because you're not making any money in return. And after you wake up, it's going to take 500, 800, 1,000, 1,500, 2,000, Some people I know, it's taken them $6,000, $8,000, $10,000 with solo ads before they realize this doesn't work. Nothing about this course works unless you have developed free traffic over time. So the question is it worth the time and effort to help him and this company and this seller here, reseller, make money when you, Ursula, Tom, Tracy, Louise, and you, and Henry, and Bob, and Olivia, and Kimberly, and Igor are not making the money that this guy is, or these people are selling the leads, or this guy, the independent lead seller, he's selling solo ads on his own. So the question is, if you're marketing and you have to find buyers for these products, you have to find buyers for these products to make your money. So the question is, where is your money coming from? Where are you going to make the money to work what they call the laptop computer lifestyle? Where are you going to make the money to put your kids into private school, drive that Jaguar, drive that Mercedes from solo ads? So the thing is, in summation for this video, make sure you know what it is you're dealing with. Check this video out. Go over this video time and time again. Please feel free to drop me comments and questions down in below this video. I can help you out from my 8 to 10 years of failing experience. And now that I'm succeeding, I have a mentor and myself who, as a team, we can help you, direct you to the profit centers of what is going to make you money and what won't make you money. So don't forget to like the video today. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Subscribe to this channel and then reach over and hit the bell icon so that you're notified every time I publish a new video to our channel. If you need help getting it straight, I'm here for you. If it's something is missing and you don't know what it is, ask questions, write comments to me. Let me help you out. Don't forget to click the link below to get great free training to help you build your online home business. Thank you for watching today, and God bless.